Hello friends! Harran is host to being one of the first universities that has been established in history and has existed as a major scientific centre of the region. This programme that aims to develop scientific, economic and social interaction for regional countries has earned its name for this reason. It has been designed to contribute to the acknowledgement of the regional countries as the centre of culture and science by the world as per history. Please watch our other videos for more detailed information on Turkey scholarship programmes. We wish you all a good day.